What is up, you guys? It's me, Nubia, here, and on today's video, you read the title. We are counting my locks. If you guys didn't know and you didn't watch my lock braid out tutorial, I mentioned how I had my dreads for, what did I say? 11 or 10 years, 10 or 11 years. I have gone through it all with my dreads, you guys. I don't know if you guys have seen what my dreads look like. Well, I do actually know. You guys haven't seen what my dreads look like before they look like this, before they were, you know, this long or whatever. I do want to do a separate video dedicated specifically to my locks where I will show you guys where I started, where I got to when I cut my hair and how long it is now and things of that sort, and answering questions. So you guys will get to see more of my lock journey because I do have lots of pictures. This is a question that needed its own video because I get this question all the time. How many locks do you have? And it's crazy, but I've never actually counted. Whenever I would be like counting my dreads, it would be when I was retwisting, and by the time I got to like in the 100 somethings, I was like, you know what, let me just round. I'm gonna just round up and call it. So I've been telling people straight lies about how many locks I have. So today I'm actually oiling my scalp and my dreads, so I decided I would show you guys how many locks I have. So let's just get straight into it. If you want to know how long my hair is, boom. Well, I got a sports bra on. That's really embarrassing, but this is how long my locks are. Should I zoom out? I'm gonna zoom out on the babies. Zoom out on y'all. Boom. Okay. This is, excuse my surgery scar, but this is how long my locks are. So they're about the end of a sports bra. I'm splitting my hair up into 4 sections so that I can count each section and then oil it. Let's just get straight into it, you guys. Here we go. But remember my braid out tutorial, y'all, where I showed you guys my bald spot in the middle of my head, and I told you guys I never fix it. I'm actually going to. It's crazy. I'm eating my words, but I'm actually going to fix it. I used to always call my hair dreads, and my whole family, like my whole household at one point had locks except for me, and we just called them dreads. So I know a lot of people are like against the term dreads, and someone asked me one time, they were like, do you prefer to have your hair called dreads or do you prefer to have your hair called locks? And I was just like, I call them dreads. Now I'm switching to the term locks, but if you guys hear me call them dreads, then excuse me, I'm literally trying to unlearn. Like cute buns though, what if I like, it's definitely giving. It said, rockstar lifestyle might don't make it. Okay, boom, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna start with this one. And we're gonna count, and because my memory is sadder than it should be, I'm gonna keep count in my notes for each ponytail, and then we're gonna do the addition at the end. This doesn't look like a lot to me, so let's just go and let's just get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. What? Am I a genius or something? Or did I just really count that bit out like that? I love it here. Now I'm gonna oil this section. I promise you at some point I will have a hair care routine, or else I would be telling you guys what oils I'm using. The only issue is I don't like giving out, when it comes to like hair and skincare and stuff, I don't like giving out information before I know that what the information I'm using actually works. It's actually working so far. I've only been doing it for how long? Maybe 2 weeks. Because at first I was doing it every night because you guys, when I tell you, like, I literally never used to oil my scalp. I never used to oil my scalp. So I would oil my scalp and then the next day my hair would just be dry, like it sucked up all the oil. So I used to do it every night. Now I do it like every other night Jamaican mango and lime sells leave-in moisturizer, but their ingredients, like, I used to use their products, but I had to switch up because their ingredients was giving very, like, you're gonna lose your hair vibe. So I'm to the point where I'm about to just start doing the thing myself, but here we go. Boom, that's 50. Let's get into clump number 2. Six, 47. 47 is in this one.
13 minus 50, goddamn, 47.
I think one side of my head has more hair than the other. It's giving very Circus Soleil. The reason why I'm so adamant now about revamping my hair is because I saw a picture of my hair from I think it was either my sophomore or my freshman year. It looked so full. So I was like, bro, what is going on? And then I saw the difference and I realized time to take care of it. So boom, let's get into this chunk. Boom. Okay, so 1, 2. $45, $46, $47, $48. Okay, boom, we got 48. What I usually will use on my edges is black castor oil, and I actually do think black castor oil works. I actually do trust black castor oil only because when it came to my eyebrows, I messed up my eyebrows one time, like super bad, and black castor oil literally saved me. But I also would say that one thing that made my hair really grow fast, which is kind of something that everybody knows about, is biotin. I liked biotin. Used biotin for a good amount of time. It definitely made my hair grow very fast. The only issue is it made all my hair grow very fast. Like, every follicle on my body was growing fast, getting thicker, like growing at like so quick. My hair was growing quick everywhere on my body. So I'm looking like I didn't even know that it would do that. I don't know why I was thinking like, oh, it'll only hit my scalp. But I shaved my legs one time. 3 days later, that bit popped up like I could do box braids on my legs the way that the hair was growing so fast and thick and long. So I was like, you know what? No. I said, you know what? It's giving just be patient. So I decided to just be patient. And I think the best way that you can let your hair grow is when you stop thinking about your hair growing. We're about to hit our last clump, y'all. I don't retwist, by the way, but whenever, I just call it retwisting because nobody knows what I'm talking about when I use the other term, but whenever I retwist, like this right here will probably take me about 1.5 hours. Yeah, that's about right, 1.5 hours, 1:45. But okay, let me show y'all something before I start this clump right here. This was a mini dread that I started. Look at how short this one is. I started this dread like, I don't know when, but when I started, it was like up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40. What the heck? Y'all, my hair is really uneven. Is my part even, y'all? Is my part even? My face is not symmetrical. Y'all already knew that though, right? My face is not symmetrical at all. And can somebody tell me if my part is even? Wait, boom. Is my part even, you guys? Is it like in the middle of my head? Nope. Recount. It's 40. So I got 87 on this side and I got 98 on this side. A whole 11 more dreads on this side. Now I see why my face be looking uneven, because this side of my face is already bigger than this side of my face. Like, this side of my face is like 1x, and then this side of my face is like 1.25x. This is my mini dread, you guys. Look. This one's shorter than all the rest. And let me tell you, This dread is the reason why I never made any more. Started like, this is how long it was when it first started. Do you guys want to know how many times it came undone? And I tried to do it to other parts of the middle part, which doesn't have any hair, and like I was like, you know what, I only got one in me. I don't like when people ask me, is my hair real? I understand when I get it from new people, right? People who just met me or whatever, or I have a fresh retwist or something. Like, I can understand. I don't see how people might think that my hair is fake, and I think people with dreads get this a lot, but it's people that I've known for a long time, like knowing them a year in, and they're like, your hair's real? I'm like, bruh, you think I would keep this style in for a year? This one girl, she was like, oh my gosh, I like your hair. I love like how your hair styled. I'm like, thank you. She was like, that's you? That's all you? I'm like, yeah. She was like, oh my gosh, they look so good. And I guess whatever, but I don't know what notion people have about people with locks and what they think they're supposed to look like, but locks look different with everybody. Now let's go to the calculations. So let's get into the count of my dreads. So I really want to do the math in my head, but I'm not gonna embarrass myself. Should I do the math in my head? I'm gonna do the math in my head. So boom. 50 plus 47 is 97. I don't like doing the math like that. I'm gonna do the math. I'm gonna visually do the math like I'm in 4th grade. Okay, so boom. 8 plus 8, 16, 15, 5, 1, 10, 18, 185. So boom, is this 185? I don't think it's 185. I'm gonna do it again. 8, 16, minus 1, 15, carry the 1, 10. Yeah, 185. It should be 185. So I'm gonna do the math now. Equals 185. When you call me mental, don't forget the math. 185. I have 185 locks in my head, y'all. I cannot believe. I cannot believe. If you have any recommendations for hair tutorials, anything like that, or any questions or anything like that, leave it in the comment section, please. It probably like toward more the end of the year, I'll do a whole rundown and a whole like answering questions about my locks, because I get a lot of questions, but I just cannot remember the questions. If you want like an interlocking tutorial, if you want like more hairstyle tutorials, please let me know. I know not all of my audience has locks, and so I don't know if you guys like seeing those videos, but if you do have locks and you came to this, what's up? I'm trying to upload every Sunday, but I am like in this stage of doubting myself that I have videos ready for Sunday, and then I look at them and I'm like, nah, I don't like them. That's why most of the time you guys get videos Monday, you guys get random videos in the middle of the week. So I feel like curling my hair. So I'm probably gonna curl it tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna braid it tomorrow, but I'm gonna do different types of braid. I'm gonna do like I'm gonna do like a wavy. I want my hair to be wavy. I don't want it to be, before it was giving like, it's like, but I want waves. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do waves, but I will see you on the next one, which will be on a Sunday. The next time I upload will be on a Sunday. I will see you guys later. Bye.